Welcome, today in front of me Realme GT Neo 3 and I'll show you how to switch off this phone. So just to do that, we should press the power key button here on the right side of our device and the up volume button on the left side of our device. So just press them together just for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Oh, one more time, sorry. So 3, 2, 1. And now we can see here the power off menu. We can restart the device, we can power it off, and we can also lock our device screen. So just to turn it off, click here to power off icon and click here once again. And that's it. Now screen is dark and this means that our device is turned off successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.